Hey YouTube, this is a review of my Air Mac C11 or Air Mag. It's kind of spelled weird, so I don't know if it's Mac or Mag. But this is my first CO2 weapon, 400 FPS, which is approximately 272 miles per hour. That don't feel good. It uses 12 gram CO2 cartridges, and this piece slides right off, so you can get to CO2. This is the clip, small, not like a normal spring pistol or anything like that. It holds 16 rounds. It is double stacked, meaning there's one on this side and one on that side, kind of like a staircase type of thing, in like a hospital or something. The magazine is all metal, and when you put the magazine in, you'll hear one second. There, I got it out. I was having a little trouble. It's not very easy doing it one-handed. First, you'll hear a click right there, then you have to push it in until you hear the second click, and it's like that. It looks a lot like a M9, as you can see, but like smushed together. Then this is on safe, this is on fire, and on safe, nothing. It's like you have it on fire, but it's not going to do anything. It's a non-blowback, so the slide does not come back, and neither does the hammer. Which is actually nice, so if you're in an airsoft world, all you hear is a slight sound of the gun going off instead of the slide coming back and going back. And this is it shooting. I would highly recommend this gun. It's a nice gun. Oh, and this is the sight for it. Has one white dot on the front sight and two small or normal sight. And that's about it.